Halo semuanya, kali ini kita akan membahas film yang berjudul Sleeping Dictionary. Film yang dibintangi oleh Jessica Alba ini bercerita tentang gadis suku Dayak pedalaman yang dijadikan istri siri dari perwira Inggris. Mereka akan dinikahkan sementara agar pria Inggris itu bisa memahami bahasa suku pedalaman tersebut. Tetapi seperti biasa, sebelum kita masuk ke alur cerita, kita ingatkan bahwa konten ini mengandung full spoiler dan kita harapkan untuk menonton filmnya terlebih dahulu sebelum menonton video ini. John Truscott adalah seorang perwira Inggris yang ditugaskan di Malaysia. Pada saat itu, Malaysia masih merupakan daerah koloni Inggris.
Good morning, Truscott. I am Lansai. Welcome to our country.
Pria itu dipandu oleh Belansai, yaitu pemuda suku Iban yang bermukim di pedalaman hutan Sarawak.
Henry Bullard, up aboard. You've got far too good a degree for this job.
My father was a district officer out here, William C. Truscott.
John dengan sukarela menggantikan tugas ayahnya yang telah meninggal dunia. Ia akan melanjutkan pekerjaan ayahnya untuk mendidik suku pedalaman.
And you've brought this plan with you, have you?
Yes, I think it's our duty to educate primitive people.
Suku Iban menyambut John dengan sangat antusias.
This is my father, Melaka. He is headman of the Longhouse. Selamat datang. This is Rai Swain.
I won't drink tanks.
To refuse is an insult.
John disuguhi minuman keras sebagai hidangan penyambutan. Kemudian, gadis-gadis suku melakukan tarian sambutan kepada pria itu.
Oh, no. No.
John juga diberikan kesempatan untuk menari di hadapan warga.
Truscott, you are very funny Englishman.
Keesokan harinya,
This is Salima. She's going to live with you.
Henry mempertemukan John dengan seorang gadis lokal.
I sleep with you.
We expect you to know the language within 6 months. Salima's what's known around here as a sleeping dictionary.
No, but poor girl, she was just picked.
I pick you.
Selima akan dijadikan kamus tidur atau istri siri dari John. Selama menjadi istri siri, Selima akan mengajari John bahasa suku Iban. John merasa hal itu tidak dibenarkan agama, dan ia berusaha menolak permintaan tersebut.
No, I'm sorry, no. No.
Oh, damn it, man. It's worked for centuries, isn't
Fine.
it?
Maybe she can stay as just a dictionary.
Yali panganinu.
Good night.
Selamat malam. Aunt,
Yes, ants. Thank you very much.
John tetap akan mempelajari bahasa Iban, namun pria itu bersikeras untuk menolak tidur bersama Selima.
Selamat malam.
Sleep tight and don't let the bedbugs bite.
Di awal kerjanya, John membayangkan bahwa ia akan mengajar anak-anak pedalaman.
Your local longhouse got to some Chinese miners before I did. You're going to have to bring in their heads.
Namun, Henry justru memberikannya tugas yang cukup aneh.
You man have cut them off.
Chinese heads as per request.
Thank you.
Monkey heads.
Para suku Iban dengan kompak mengeprank John.
Aggie Bullard, Henry's wife. You must be Truscott.
John berkenalan dengan Aggie, istri dari Henry.
Sleeping Dictionary shaping up all right?
Better, or the Yavana will think there's something wrong with you down below.
Master, this is Jasmine. He is.
Mereka mengira bahwa John adalah seorang gay.
He assist you. Private way.
Good God. Get him out of...
John yang mulai emosi melampiaskan kemarahannya kepada Selima.
You're fired! Dismissed!
You are dismissed.
Selima marah dan ia pergi meninggalkan John. Keesokan paginya, John menyadari bahwa Selima tidak berani pulang ke desanya.
What are you doing?
They will laugh at her. They will say you not sleep with her because she too pig ugly.
Wait. I think you're very beautiful. I don't sleep with you because of my beliefs.
I will give you one more chance.
Aku bakalam bilik mandi.
You are in the bathroom.
Akhirnya John mulai tertarik kepada Selima.
Bilik tindua. The bedroom.
Bedroom. I go to sleep.
Have you ever slept with a woman?
I won't till I get married. That's our way.
John menganggap bahwa pernikahan adalah hal yang sangat sakral baginya.
Good night.
I thought you didn't like our education. You want to educate us like your father did?
Belansai mengungkapkan ketidaksetujuannya terhadap cara orang Inggris dalam mengedukasi.
The mission school tries to turn us into little Englishmen.
I hear when you were young, you were a champion at the underwater battles.
Will you challenge me then?
John yang terpancing memberikan tantangan kepada putra kepala suku itu. John dan Belansai akan bersaing dalam menyelam.
Nanti.
John menunjukkan kecerdikannya di depan semua suku Iban.
Might have a word about those heads.
Lovely workmanship. I'll add those to the collection.
My father read it to me. He go back to England when I am 4.
Selima ternyata merupakan putri dari perwira Inggris dan ibunya juga merupakan kamus tidur seperti dirinya.
Hand.
Sorry.
Arm.
Engao.
Ngao. Neck.
Putong.
Butong. Lips.
Molo.
Setelah saling mengenal, mereka berdua mulai merasakan jatuh cinta.
Breast.
Bagu susu.
Semakin lama, kedua pasangan itu semakin dekat.
Why'd you always go?
For sleeping dictionary, it is proper. For the Iban, if a man and a woman wake up together 5 nights in a row, they are engaged.
Cecilia's got a degree in anthropology. She did a thesis on the Iban.
Really?
Suatu hari, Putri Henry yang bernama Cecil tiba di Sarawak.
Back in Victorian times, the young officers coming out here were given a young woman from the local headhunting tribes to share their bed.
I hardly think so, darling.
Well, if it did exist, I'm sure it was purely a matter of convenience and no higher feelings were involved.
Pada saat itu, orang Inggris menganggap bahwa menikah dengan penduduk pribumi adalah hal yang memalukan. Ternyata, kegiatan kamus tidur ini bersifat rahasia.
So is she pretty?
She's fairly pretty.
Walaupun begitu, John justru semakin mencintai Selima. John semakin lancar dalam berkomunikasi dengan suku Iban.
This is a land dispute between 2 longhouses. It's complicated.
So have you sorted out this dispute?
Yes, I think so, yes.
So, if I decide for one side or the other, it'll just seem unfair to them.
John juga sangat diterima oleh penduduk suku pedalaman itu. Hal itu membuat Cecil mulai jatuh cinta kepada John.
It's chilly, is it?
Sundal.
Oh, hands higher, please. That's it, perfect.
Tulong aku.
Cecil.
Trascott!
Terrific girl, Cecil, isn't she?
Absolutely, yeah.
She knows all sorts of things. And it means she's turned out very self-sufficient. And of course, she's ever so fond of you. You want these schools for the Iban. Henry will help you.
Eggy kemudian memberikan penawaran kepada John, di mana jika ia menikahi Cecil, maka John akan diberikan sebuah sekolah baru.
Sorry about this afternoon. I should have stopped us sooner.
Walaupun kedua pasangan itu saling mencintai, namun mereka tidak akan bisa bersama.
Go ahead. Do your sex. Don't mind me.
Mansa dulu! Mansa dulu!
Suatu hari, mereka menemukan suku Yakata yang terkena penyakit parah.
Arini did that,
She won't understand. She's Yakata.
I'd better go upriver and have a look, hadn't I?
No, you hadn't. Have your head as soon as look at you. Besides, he doesn't speak the language.
I'll take Selina. She's going to tangle with him.
Send that idiot Shipperley.
I'll set out tomorrow morning, shall I?
John membawa Selima dan Belansai pergi ke daerah suku Yakata itu. John mencoba untuk menginvestigasi lingkungan suku itu.
It's not famine, there's rice in the huts.
It's a white man with a rifle. Listen.
Can you track him?
Mereka menemukan para penambang perak ilegal yang masuk melalui Kalimantan.
They come across the mountains from Tachponyo.
That's pure silver. They'll be making a fortune. And it looks like they don't want any other Europeans to know.
We get sickness. They go away. They say you brought the illness. The Dutchman taught them. Pinangulo. I told them you're a god and will cure them.
Good. The Yakata don't grow rice, do they? Bastards! They wanted to clear the mining area, so they put poison in the rice.
Akhirnya, John mengetahui bahwa penambang ilegal itu telah meracuni makanan suku Yakata. John langsung memerintahkan suku itu untuk menghabisi para penambang. Penambang itu akhirnya dihabisi suku Yakata. Dan John mendapatkan kepercayaan dari suku Yakata.
When I found you lying there, suddenly everything became clear. I want to stay with you forever.
John akhirnya memutuskan untuk menikahi Selima.
But they'll stop us.
The English aren't barbarians. I'll sort it out.
You want to marry her?
But how can we let our officers sleep with the local women and not marry them?
Namun sayangnya, hubungan mereka tidak direstui oleh Henry.
Yes, I know what's happened. Everybody does.
Anak kecilku.
Selima, aku nak merintah Nuhan Selima. Tinggal kia.
Aku nak jingkau ya.
Kena Nuhan kenang aku cetua itu.
If you won't give him up, they'll charge him with the murder of the white miners. They'll charge me as well. That's why my father asks you.
Permohonan John ditolak, dan bahkan ia diancam dihukum mati.
He could hang you for that.
You broke the law. You can't go around murdering white men.
You have a choice.
Make your mind up.
Selima!
It's all arranged, isn't it?
Help me!
I swore it would all work out.
Just give her up now. This is your last chance.
No!
John tetap ingin menikahi Selima.
John Truscott, I charge you.
I'll do it.
No.
Namun Selima justru mengalah demi kebaikan.
So,
I do.
Setahun kemudian, John meninggalkan Sarawak dan ia menikahi Cecil.
I know about your sleeping dictionary. I don't mind. What happened to her?
Oh, she married Balansa.
Was that before you proposed to me?
No, I think it must have been afterwards.
Here we go then.
Mereka berdua masih tetap ingin mengabdi kepada suku Iban dan mereka memilih kembali ke Sarawak.
I thought I'd organize a welcoming committee.
They're wonderful.
You're looking at the first Iban class, the first Iban school. You know, I actually wasn't going to mention this for a while, but I wondered if you might like to do some teaching.
Pasangan itu terlihat hidup harmonis, namun John masih belum bisa melupakan Selima. Cecil mulai cemburu, dan ia mencoba agar John mencintainya seperti Selima.
I thought that's what you wanted. I thought that's what she would have done. It's her, isn't it?
Yes,
She's very beautiful.
in her own way, yes.
Is the baby mine?
Oh, yes.
John kini mengetahui bahwa ia memiliki putra dari Selima, dan ia meminta bantuan tukang masak mempertemukannya dengan gadis itu.
Please. I want to see my son.
I don't understand English anymore.
You're my son. His name is Manda.
He's Balansai's son now. He married me even though he knew I was pregnant.
John akhirnya bertemu dengan putranya Mandar, namun sayangnya pria itu tidak bisa berbuat banyak.
I presume you've impregnated my daughter.
Not yet.
John mulai membuat ibu mertuanya curiga.
Fool. Now we're going to have to execute him. You cause all this. One of the best men I know.
Akhirnya, John berdebat dengan mertuanya dan ia mengetahui fakta bahwa Selima adalah putri kandung Henry.
The daughters of sleeping dictionaries become sleeping dictionaries. I told her mother to tell her that I was back in England. I thought you were kind. That you treat her well. It's normal. This way is best. It wouldn't be fair on her.
Can it die with you?
Sementara itu, penduduk mulai menyalahkan Selima atas perbuatan nekat Belansai. John dipaksa untuk memberikan vonis hukuman mati kepada Belansai.
Belansai Ringan, this court finds you guilty of attempted murder. Tomorrow morning you'll be taken from the jail and hung from your neck until you are dead. May God have mercy on your soul.
You've no reason not to take it.
Namun, John diam-diam membebaskan Belansai untuk kabur dari hukumannya.
Well, we're gonna have to run away together now. Steamer leaves tomorrow at dawn. I'll leave at dusk. I'll be there by 3 a.m. at the latest.
Has very kindly agreed to take you on as a sleeping dictionary. I presume you'd prefer that to a spell in prison?
Selima akhirnya dijadikan kamus tidur bagi perwira Inggris lainnya.
I'm pregnant.
Sementara itu, John memberitahukan orang tuanya tentang kehamilan Cecil.
Leeches. Jungle.
Compound.
Fucking jungle full of prick-teasing little brown savages. Get baby and go. I catch you up.
It is for me, isn't it?
Cecil sangat berhati besar dan ia membiarkan suaminya untuk mengejar kakak tirinya Selima.
Now go. I want you to go. Anyway, you've left something of yours behind.
Namun sayangnya, Selima tidak menemukan John di tempat yang dijanjikan.
She think you're not coming. She not catch boat. She making a run for Dutch Borneo.
You might need this.
My second present.
You know?
I guess eventually.
Come on.
They're both headed over the mountains and have a party ready to follow them.
Akhirnya, Henry dan Cecil sudah rela melepaskan John untuk bahagia.
I don't want John hurt. Or my sister.
Di sisi lain, Abby masih tidak terima dengan keputusan keluarganya.
go after them.
John mendaki gunung untuk mencari Selima. Sementara itu, Abby memerintahkan orangnya untuk mencari mereka.
Selima!
Kebahagiaan pasangan itu dirusak oleh kedatangan anak buah Abby yang mengancam mereka dengan senjata.
Handcuff yourselves to the pole.
Rape Selima, kill baby, kill you.
Beruntungnya, suku Yakata datang untuk membantu John yang pernah menyelamatkan mereka.
Ambil anak ya. They sing because they move on tomorrow. They want us to come with them. If we go, you will have nothing.
I'll have you.
Akhirnya, mereka berdua memilih untuk berbaur dengan suku Yakata dan mereka hidup bahagia di alam liar. Dan film pun selesai. Baiklah teman-teman, bagaimana tanggapan kalian tentang film ini? Saya tunggu di kolom komentar ya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe channel kita. Terima kasih.